Meaning of Irish coffee.
Irish coffee.
Irish coffee.
Irish coffee.
Irish coffee. Irish coffee is a type of alcoholic beverage that typically consists of hot coffee, Irish whiskey, sugar, and whipped cream. It is believed to have originated in Ireland in the early 20th century and has since become a popular drink around the world. The addition of Irish whiskey gives the coffee a unique flavor and a slight kick, while the sugar helps to balance out the bitterness of the coffee. Finally, the whipped cream on top adds a creamy texture and a touch of sweetness to the drink. Overall, Irish coffee is a delicious way to enjoy coffee with a twist of Irish culture.